Today, as you know, we were discussing earlier about the primary herpetic lesion. So before going to the details of this topic, what we have covered till now is the different term we will be using like the vesicle, bulla and the ulcers. These all are the terms that we have discussed. Then we had discussed about the classification of the vesicobullous lesion. So for the notes, you can join our YouTube channel and you can join our link for the Telegram from the description box. Then you can also join our group on the WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram. The link of all has been given in the description box. So let's come to our topic, the primary herpetic lesion. As the word already explained, what is primary? Primary means जो सबसे पहले हो, the one that appears first. Then the herpetic infection means any infection caused by the virus. Okay, herpes virus. So let's come to start the topic. The primary herpetic infection is caused by a virus called as Varicella zoster virus. Okay, this is VZV in the short. The primary infection of the Varicella zoster is called as chicken pox. Okay, in rural families it is called Mata Maya. Okay, so the primary infection is chicken pox, but this primary infection generally occur in the children and there is a chance of reactivation of this infection. Okay, so after the reinfection, this disease or this herpetic lesion is called as herpes zoster. I will discuss what herpes means, what zoster means. Okay, so the primary infection we were discussing, the caused by the Varicella zoster virus and it is called chicken pox in common. Then it occur mostly in the children. This primary infection, chicken pox, occur mostly in the children. This infection has some prodromal symptom or they can be characterized by there is a fever that is chill type of fever means high fever. पहले ठंड आएगा, ठंड जैसा लगेगा, कपकपी होगी बॉडी में and then fever will appear. There will be malaise, there will be headache and rashes on the body. These rashes will be characterized as pruritic type of rashes. What pruritic means? Pruritic means an itching type of rashes. Okay? Then the site where this infection you will find is they will be on the trunk, whole trunk of the body. They can be on the face area of the body and they can be on the extremities, that is body से जो दूर एरिया होते हैं, extreme portion like palm, sole, legs, fingers, this can be the extremities. What are the oral manifestation of the primary infection and primary herpes lesion is they can be ulcer, they can be vesicobullous ulcer on the buccal mucosa, that is okay, this can be. Then the tongue, they can be on the palate, hard palate, okay, gingiva or the pharyngeals. यहां तक क्लियर है? These points are clear to you people? Then multiple shallow ulcer. Now what will be the characteristic feature of these ulcers? These ulcers will be multiple in nature. There will be many ulcers. Small ulcer will be there on the hard palate. And then this ulcer will be shallow in nature and these ulcers will have thin wall. Means once you press these ulcers, they can rupture. Then what are the complications that are associated with this lesion? Pneumonitis, encephalitis, fetal abnormalities. These are some infection
Fetal abnormalities can occur only in the case if the female is pregnant and she get caught by the primary herpes lesion or the infection, that is chickenpox. Then once the infection get healed up, they get into the dorsal root ganglia and they become in a quiescent stage. They can become a dormant phase. But as any stimulus they get activated, after a stimulus they get activated. Once after getting a stimulus, if they get activated, they are caused by the reactivated form of the VZV. Means they get accumulated in the dorsal root ganglia. From there in the neuron pathway, once any type of triggering stimulus they find and they get reactivated and causes the Warsiella zoster. They are characterized by the rashes. They are also called as singles. What singles means? Single is a term derived from the cingulum. Okay? Cingulum means girdle. And what this girdle means? This singles, cingulum, these are a Latin word. Cingulum was a Latin word from which this singles was derived. This singles comes as a short note question also. So you people must write down that this cingulum has given rise to a word that is singles, and this cingulum means girdle. So you must be thinking, sir, what girdle means? Anything that wrap around your waist is girdle. Okay? The clinical feature, the lesion is called girdle as there is a unilateral rashes. It is a very characteristic feature of this infection that there will be a unilateral rashes and then that wrapped around the waist or torso. मतलब कोई एक ऐसा यूनिलेटरल रैसेज है जो कि एक तरफ के वेस्ट या टॉर्सो की तरफ रैप्ड अराउंड रहेंगे. जोस्टर. Zoster means a belt-like object used by the warriors, okay, to hold the armor in the waist. एक ऐसा belt-like object, this is a belt-like object in the waist in which the soldier used to keep their armors, their pistols, their rifles, their astras, okay. They are seen in the adult most commonly because once the chickenpox was in the children, they get reactivated and then after some long time, so it will take some time now. So it will appear in the adult. This lesion has a distinguishing feature that this lesion is unilateral and involve one of the branch of the trigeminal nerve. The most common branch that is involved is the ophthalmic. Okay, and once the ophthalmic is disturbed or damaged or involved, it will cause the area, it will lead to the infection in the area supplied by this nerve. Okay, so this lesion is mild to severe in nature and the pain may exacerbate on touch and they heal by the scab formation. After healing, they form the scabs. These lesions are very pruritic in nature, painful in nature. Even a mild touch can exacerbate this condition. Then the complication. The most common complication of this lesion is post-herpetic neuralgia. This post-herpetic neuralgia is nothing but a sharp and shooting type of burning pain occur in the 5th decade of the life. Okay, generally post-herpetic neuralgia complication occur in the 5th decade of the life. There can be complication in the eye as the trigeminal nerve branch is involved. Inflammation, there can be blindness, there can be necrosis of the bone also. When the pain and paresthesia is there, but this is without any cutaneous rashes, so the lesion is called zoster sign herpetic. ये लिखना इंपॉर्टेंट है, लिख दोगे तो मार्क्स ज्यादा मिलेंगे. The syndrome is associated, that is Ramsay-Hunt syndrome. In the Ramsay-Hunt syndrome, there is involvement of the geniculate ganglion, which is from which the facial nerve arises. Okay. So, in the Ramsay-Hunt syndrome, you will find all the symptoms that you are seeing in the case of singles. There are some tests that is done to investigate the disease. They are PCR, cytology, and immunofluorescence technique test. Then the differential diagnosis is recurrent herpetic lesion, and the treatment can be within the 72 hours. We should advise the patient to take antiviral drug, that is acyclovir, famiciclovir, and the procyclovir. So this cyclovir type of drug are very effective against the virus. The dosage of this drug can be BD, and this is 4 times higher than the primary herpes lesion. So this was all about the primary herpes infection. I hope I was able to make you guys understand the topic very clearly. If so, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Ocean of Dentistry. Keep your supports with me, and please share our videos and press the bell icon for more updates. Please subscribe to our channel. For the notes, for any type of description, for any discussion, any type of doubt, you can contact me on my WhatsApp group. You can contact me personally on WhatsApp, and the link of which is given in the description. You can also follow us at Telegram page, and you can follow us at the Instagram page with the name Ocean of Dentistry, link given in the description. Thank you. That's all for today. Keep studying. Keep watching our videos. Thank you.